mock test, I will ask a lot of questions to you. Okay,
Right.
like how would you introduce yourself? Okay, your name, and will give you the what I would say the tips in order to explain yourself, like to encounter the questions, encounter. For example, Mansi, if I would say, how would you introduce yourself? So what you will say?
Sir, my name is Nancy Goyal. Basically, I'm from Karnal. I
Mhm.
have done my graduation. I have done my bachelor's in computer science.
All right.
Now I'm working in IndusInd Bank. And, I'm into customer dealing services
All
basically.
right, Nancy. All right, Nancy. So you are in the banking sector. So what kind of client you handle with?
I'm right now. I'm handling exclusive customers, final customers, all type of customers in bank basically. So we have to look after the complaints of customers basically. We have to look the financial conditions of the
Now,
customers.
one second, Nancy. Now, one second. We are saying like we will not use fillers. These fillers we will not use in mock test. Like you know, sometimes it's not like you know.
Right, right,
Sometimes
right.
people use like you know. No, it will give you the negative marking.
Okay,
These fillers will give you the negative marking.
like you can say like.
Huh. We will like you know. Okay.
Okay,
Rather saying these things, you can say I would say. They
okay.
obviously see
I
no.
would say.
Even I cannot speak in a very flow because obviously if I will speak Hindi,
Right,
I cannot speak Hindi in a very flow. No, we cannot say like this. Is it clear to
right,
you?
right, sir.
See, obviously I have to take a pause.
Right,
Obviously I have to take a pause in between, right? But I rather using you know, like what you will reply, I would say here, speak up. I would say here, speak
I
up.
would say here.
I would say here.
I would say here.
इससे क्या होगा with these type of see rather saying जैसे जहाँ पे आप like यूज करें just try क्योंकि आप like जब आप यूज कर रहे हो whenever you are using like so it means you are thinking in your mind something next uh, line you're thinking something next vocabulary is that clear to you so
Right,
rather using like and you know you can I would say here in the meanwhile you will look forward for the next sentence in your mind is that clear to you? So these
right,
type of
sir.
sentences will not give you the negative marking.
Right, sir.
If, for example, I will say, I work in the banking sector. I will say, what kind of profile you are handling with? I'm handling the customer profile, and I would say here, मतलब मैं यहाँ पे like use करना चाहता हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे
Mm-hmm.
I want to use like so, okay,
मतलब
but
सो
I
हम
don't.
एक्चुअली मतलब कि डेली बेसिस पे हम लोग ये चीजें यूज ये वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं ना लाइक यू नो
Yes,
सो
yes. Because these हम देखो like you know why we use because it means on the back of the mind I'm thinking for the next line, right? So rather using like and you know we'll use what? We'll
would I
use
would say here.
yes. I would say here. Okay, is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for example, I would say here I'm handling the my the corporate profiles, the corporate clients, the NRI's clients.
Right.
Still, I said a lot of things about me about my kindness. I'm not saying, okay, he's not stopping you in between. Okay, sir, all right, yeah. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So that he will come to know by default. Is that clear to you, Nancy?
Yes, sir.
Now the next question is, see, these are questions maybe examiner asked you, what is the meaning of your name? If I ask you, okay, your name is Nancy. Wow, that's a good name. I like the Nancy name. But did you know the meaning of your name? What is the meaning of your name? Because he just want to check your English language.
Right.
So you have to look forward, like tell what the meaning of the see. Maybe you will get a foreigner examiner, maybe you get a North examiner, maybe a North Indian, maybe a South. We are not aware of these things.
Uh-huh.
There is not you have to very precise about your name. Nancy, we call it. You can say anything about your name, or you can go or you can ask your mom, what is the meaning of my name? So that if examiner asks you, you should be handy with your the meaning of your name basically. Is that clear to you?
Right, sir.
Okay. So what strategy you will say? For example, I ask you, what is the meaning of your name? Oh, my name is Nancy, and the meaning of my name is uh,
Basically, it's a Christian name.
Christian name.
Right,
Okay. But what you will
right,
say, like how you can use, see, I'm giving the tips to get a good grip in your mock test, right? So we'll
right,
say every Indian, because you're Indian, right? So these type of
right,
things will say, look, every Indian name has got a special meaning. You can start like this. You say, okay, my name is Nancy, that's a Christian name, and that means maybe beautiful. That means acceptance. Could be anything. I don't know what the meaning of your name, but see. So you can start like this. Every Indian name has got a special meaning. It is reminder to us. It is, see, because we have to be very, precise with my terms.
right,
It is a reminder to us to live up to its meaning. Is that clear to you?
right, sir. It is reminder us to
To
live.
us, very good line. See, this is the line they're looking. See, that's a phrase basically. It is reminder
Right.
to us. It is reminder to us.
To live up to its meaning. Right.
Exactly. For example, my name is Ankit. Ankit is be called as engrave something. So so I will say it is reminder to me to live up to my meaning of my name, my engraving. If I committed anything, so I should be stand on this.
Right.
Is that clear to you?
Right, sir.
The meaning of my name is, then you can say, after this you can say, the meaning of my name
My name
is it clear to you? The
right,
meaning
sir.
of my name is this. Like every candidate is requested to see, but I would suggest you have to tell the exact meaning of your name. So you can speak to your mom, or either you can ask to your dad, or to people, they will the meaning of your name. But you have to
Right,
start like
sir.
this. Every Indian name has got a special meaning. It's a
It
reminder
is
to
reminder
us
to
to live
us
up
to
to its
live
meaning.
up to its
Very good.
meaning.
Don't you think it's very good line? So
Right.
he will get impressed and he will give the mark. Is it clear to you?
Right, sir.
ये क्वेश्चन जो आपको मैं पूछ रहा हूँ ना, this is a very common question and they 99% examiner ask these type of questions. What are the famous? Okay, you belong to Karnal. All right.
Yes, yes,
Tell
yes,
me
sir.
the best things in Karnal. What are the famous names in your country? Maybe you can ask you. Okay, you're from India. Yeah. What are the famous names in your country? What are the famous names in your country? I asked you. What are the famous names in your country? So, see, that's a very tough question. Obviously, famous names in a country, I can say Gandhi ji, we
There
have
are a
Shahid
lot of
Bhagat Singh.
famous names in our country, basically. So,
हम्म अब आपको उसको रिप्लाई कैसे करना है? Usually, you have to apply these type of connectors first.
right.
Usually, normally,
Usually,
eventually,
normally,
eventually,
basically,
basically, yes. So we have to apply these type of connectors, right? Okay.
yes.
Usually, Indian, usually Indians prefer the name of their prophets. The name of their prophets, their ancestors. Is it clear to you?
Right, sir.
Is it clear to you?
Right,
Or the
sir.
great personalities, or the great characters, great personalities, or the great characters. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
From the holy book of their religions. Kuch bhi from their religion. If I would say, what the famous name in your country? So I have to be precise about my term.
Hmm.
For the name of their ancestors, obviously, because if I am Punjabi, so my
Right.
ancestor, I found person Shahid Bhagat Singh. Shahid Bhagat Singh. I am very proud of my community. Like Shahid, we are the chain of the Shahid Bhagat Singh.
Right.
Is it clear to? We are the chain of the what I would say. We are the chain of the Shivaji, right?
Right.
So what I will say, usually Indian prefer the name of their ancestors or the great characters. A great characters are the great personality from the holy books or from the past histories, the past I would say. So I will think of my ancestor because the famous name is Mahana Pratap Singh for his motherland. Shahid Bhagat Singh, he sacrificed his life for his motherland. So these type, see, you can explain because if I will say, okay, the famous name in my country is Gandhi ji, and that's it. See, I'm not precising my statement.
Mm-hmm.
In order to get a good mark, I need to be very precise about my terms. Is it clear to you?
Right, sure.
समझ आ रहा है आपको कि मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? See,
Right.
any question, any
Yes,
question.
I have a question right
हाँ,
now. Like, जैसे मतलब if they ask from us कि what are the famous name in your country, right? So
हम्म,
हमने उसको describe किया like about famous personalities, right? And
हम्म,
about like our great characters. So इसमें से अगर जैसे हमने किसी का एक का नाम choose करके उनको जैसे बताया like महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, whatever it is. So
हम्म।
they will ask क्या वो उसमें से कुछ questions पूछेंगे like
They
about
see that their choice. They can ask. For example, if I will say, uh,
हाँ हाँ
my the great ancestor, the great personality of mine, the famous name is Mahana Pratap Singh, Shahid Bhagat.
right sir
अगर मैं
right
अपने state, if I'm not अगर मैं if I'm not very precise, if I'm not explaining the entire concept of, if they're not convinced, definitely they will ask to you. So if we'll use like this, usually Indian prefer the name of their ancestor. Like me, I'm very proud of my ancestors because I am in the chain of Bhagat Singh. I belong from Mahana Pratap chain. Either I'm not belong from Mahana Pratap chain, but I'm very proud of. I love Mahana Pratap. Why? Because he fought for his motherland. They sacrificed their life, their family for the motherland.
mm-hmm.
Okay. So they said, okay, all right. And Shahid Bhagat Singh, he also sacrificed his life, his family. I think he just crossed the age of 22 and he got hanged by the Britishers. Right? So आपने तो एक्सप्लेन कर ही दिया उनको करेक्टर्स उनका और आप वन बाय वन का करेक्टर्स आप एक्सप्लेन भी कर रहे हो. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? हेलो, यू देयर नैंसी? हेलो? 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 Nancy, you there? Hello?